हाय, वेलकम टू होम टाइमोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम प्रोबेबिलिटी के एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पल्स कंटिन्यू करेंगे। Starting off with example 6 on page number 280. A tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire needed to be replaced. The table shows the results of 1000 cases. इस टेबल में आपको distance covered in kilometers दे रखा है और frequency भी दे रखी है. If you buy a tire of this company, what is the probability that 1. It will need to be replaced before it has covered 4000 kilometers. Second, it will last more than 9000 kilometers. Third, it will need to be replaced between 4000 and 14000 kilometers. So सबसे पहले हम total number of trials calculate करेंगे by adding up all the frequencies and we'll get 1000. First part, to calculate the probability of 4000 kilometer, which will be equal to 20 upon 1000, that is 0.2. Second, probability of more than 9000 kilometers. इसके लिए we have to add frequencies, that is 325 plus 445 upon total, that is 1000. After adding up, we'll get 770 upon 1000, which is 0.77. Third, probability between 4000 kilometers and 14000 kilometers. इसके लिए भी हमें frequencies जो हैं ऐड करनी पड़ेगी. That is equal to 210 plus 325, which is equal to 535. Probability निकालने के लिए इसके अपॉन में total trials भी लिखेंगे, that is 1000, and the answer will be 0.535. Example 7 on page number 280. The percentage of marks obtained by a student in the monthly unit tests are given below. Unit test 1 में it is 69%, unit test 2 में it is 71, unit test 3 में it is 73, unit test 4 में it is 68% and unit test 5 में it is 74%. Find the probability that the student gets more than 70% in a unit test. So सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे टोटल यूनिट टेस्ट कितने थे. इट वॉज 5, यूनिट टेस्ट 2 में 71, यूनिट टेस्ट 3 में 73, यूनिट टेस्ट 5 में इट वॉज 74 और तीनों ही यूनिट टेस्ट में 70% से ज़्यादा थे. तो 5 में से 3 में 70% से ज़्यादा थे. तो probability of more than 70% will be equal to 3 upon 5, that is 0.6. Example 8 on page number 281. An insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random in a particular city to find a relationship between age and accidents. The data obtained are given in the following table. Find the probabilities of the following events. 1. Being 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. 2. Being 30 to 50 years of age and having 1 or more accidents in a year. 3. Having no accidents in 1 year. So, calculating the probability of exactly 3 accidents between the age group of 18 to 29 years. So the probability will be equal to 61 upon 2000. That is approximately 0.031. Second, probability of 1 or more accidents in a year between age group of 30 to 50. So it will be 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18. That is 225 upon 2000. So approximately it will be equal to 0.113. Third, probability of no accidents in a year. That will be 440 plus 505 plus 360. That is equal to 1305 upon 2000, which is equal to 0.653. Example 9 on page number 282. Consider the frequency distribution table which gives the weights of 38 students of a class. इस टेबल में आपको weights दे रखे हैं in kg and number of students भी दे रखे हैं. First, find the probability that the weight of a student in the class lies in the interval 46 to 50 kg. Second, give two events in this context, one having probability 0 and the other having probability 1. So first हम calculate करेंगे total number of students that is already given, which is equal to 38. First, probability of weight of student in the class interval between 46 to 50 kg. तो उसमें हमारे सिर्फ 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो 3 upon 38 that is 0.079. For second part, you have to suppose that weight of students is equal to or less than 30, जो कि किसी भी स्टूडेंट का नहीं है, तो probability यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगी. And similarly, you have to suppose that weight of student is greater than 30 kg, जो कि सारे स्टूडेंट्स का है, तो यहाँ पर probability आपकी 1 हो जाएगी. I hope this is clear to you. Example 10 on page number 282. 50 seeds were selected at random from each of 5 bags of seeds and were kept under some suitable conditions for germination. After 20 days, the number of seeds which had germinated in each collection were counted और उसको following table में record किया गया. Now, what is the probability of germination of first, more than 40 seeds in a bag, second, 49 seeds in a bag, third, more than 35 seeds in a bag? सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे total number of bags, that is equal to 5. So the first part, that is the probability of more than 40 seeds in a bag, जो कि थी bag 2 में, that is equal to 48, bag 3 में, that is equal to 42 and bag 5 में, which is equal to 41. तो 5 में से 3 बैग में 40 से ज़्यादा थी, तो probability of this will be 3 upon 5, that is 0.6. Second part is probability of 49 seeds in a bag, जो कि किसी में भी नहीं थी, तो that will be 0. And third part, that is probability of more than 35 seeds in a bag, जो कि सारे बैग्स में थी, तो probability of this will be 1. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. You have been a great learner.